Without objection, so ordered.
Mr. President, under an order of May 5th and under the auspices of S. Res. 18, I made a temporary appointment of Senator Sheldon Whitehouse to serve on the Help Committee, while retaining my authority to make a permanent appointment to the Help Committee. I now announce that as of today, July 15th, Senator Al Franken is appointed to serve on a permanent basis to the slot that was occupied by Senator Sheldon Whitehouse.
Without objection, so ordered.
Mr. President, Sheldon Whitehouse, since coming to the Senate, has truly been a workhorse. There isn't anything I've asked this fine man to do that he hasn't come forward with enthusiasm to do it. We've seen the brilliant work that he's done on so many different occasions as a member of that Judiciary Committee, and his other assignments in the Senate have been just as auspicious as his work on the Judiciary Committee. His background is significant. He has a real interest in health care, and his work on getting the bill that was reported out of the Help Committee today was essential. All members of the committee, Democrats and Republicans, are astounded how good he was. I repeat, enthusiastically accepted this temporary assignment while I waited for this long, never-ending situation in Minnesota to come to a close. But Senator Whitehouse was far from just a seat warmer. He dove into the issues, and to no one's surprise, was a substantive contributor to one of the most important bills the committee ever marked up in the history of this country. So without belaboring the point, Mr. President, on behalf of the entire Senate, I greatly appreciate his service on the committee. I personally thank him, as does the entire Democratic caucus, and I'll bet if a poll were taken of those that served as Republicans on the Help Committee, they would acknowledge his brilliance and hard work. I know Senator Kennedy, who we have missed, and on that committee, his vital work that he's done for decades here in the Senate, is someone who's watched from afar and applauded Senator Whitehouse. Mr. President,